In this session, let's learn about NK buffer cache. We know the default block size in Oracle 11g is 8192 bytes. What if you want to create a different block size? Can you create? Yes, you can create the data blocks with a different size. But if you want to store those data blocks in the memory, you need to configure a separate memory structures for that blocks. Okay? So this NK buffer cache is used to store the Oracle data blocks which are having a different size than the default block size. Here n is nothing but a number like 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, and k is equal to the size of the default block size, and we know the default block size is determined by the parameter db underscore block underscore size. If you want to create a data block which is 2 times of your default block size, then you configure db underscore 2k underscore cache underscore size and you mention the memory size. By default it is 0. If you want it to be 8 times of your default size, then you configure the parameter db underscore 8k underscore cache underscore size equal to the memory size. Like this, depending upon your data block size, you configure the corresponding parameter. Okay?